Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system management. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got options which are inactive, so we cannot really manually customize the date and time because we are using automatic options. So first of all, we have to tap on this switcher to turn off this automatic feature, and then we can freely tap on time, and just by swiping choose the time we want to set, confirm it with OK, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the date, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. We can also select the time zone, just tap on it, and here you've been transferred to the full list of available time zones. So find yours and tap on it, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide whether you want to use the 24-hour clock format, which is currently applied, or 12-hour format, and to do that we have to tap on the switcher to turn off this option. So basically this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. If you want to get back to the automatic settings, just tap on this switcher at the top, and up to you with the format. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.